St. Margaret's, they're your top seed, your defending 2019 Division 5 champions.
You're number 12, Cate. Nice work, sweetie. You know what you do, what it takes to be a winner. Let's go.
And then he pushed through, you see? He came through and went like that. Ate him down. We came down this?
In the top 9, they are your number 1 seed, number 1 ranked team here in Division 5, and should move on quite comfortably here.
Burned him.
And team scoring pretty wide open here, but St. Margaret's with 4 in the airstrip. Chadwick now with 3. Flintridge Prep now moving up as well. Start by St. Margaret's, Chadwick.
Best to keep moving. We got best to keep moving. There we go. Right over here. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through. Go ahead and get some water.
Jeromo coming across at 13:06. Eaton at 13:38. Manny Doyle, Windward 13:50. Jeff had already Campbell Hall in 4th at 14. Lau of St. Margaret's at 14:02. Elizabeth Baldwin coming up strong there at the end. Loma Linda Academy of 14:02. Amelia King and the freshman Sarah Benzik of St. Margaret's with 3 of the top 8. They'll be the first with 5 across. Diana Aguilar of Ramona Convent in 9th. And Cassandra Cross, Pacifica Christian out of Orange County in 10th.
Y'all do your
it's an easy capture this one, but Aquinas, Chadwick, and Flintridge Prep now punching their tickets onward to next Saturday. Aquinas currently in second place, just ahead of Chadwick and Flintridge Prep, those four being the only squads with 5 across thus far, as we get ready here for our second of 3 heats here in the Division 5 girls.
Let's finish, ladies. Let's finish. There we go. Great job, ladies. Go ahead and get some water, all right? Do your best to keep moving. There we go. Great job. Go ahead and get some water. Great race,
And now Ramona Convict with 5 across, so that will move them into 5th place. Remember, top 5 automatically qualifies fastest 6th place team out of the 3 heats. Will also be added on to the lineup next week. Division 5 girls, that'll be Saturday morning here at Mount Sac. And now Crossroads is going to leapfrog Ramona Convict here in a great battle for that 5th spot. Crossroads right now, these are unofficial results, still changing as more teams continue to cross.
That was a real bad throw, I know. That's why I'm not a QB. Then again, I didn't try to throw it. I tried to pitch it. You know what I mean? I didn't try to throw it. Yeah, I tried to throw it. There's no trouble. There we go, all the way through, there we go. Great job.
Oh, Cate is so quick. There's a lot of punch packed into this vocal sport. It's got a ton of horsepower, I love it.
There we go, all the way through, there we go.
Now we're doing hair. Now we're doing stuff. Yeah. I like how we can get over.
All the way through.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Great job.
Super
Go
good.
ahead and get some water, okay? Great job. That's cool. That's so cool. She was like, yeah, you was like, I'm like, Let's finish all the way through. Let's finish. There we go. Go ahead and get some water, okay? Great.
So right here, Heat 2, Division 5 girls, Alerno, Cantwell out of Sacred Heart, Holy Martyrs, Reina, Mary Star of the Sea, Pasadena Poly.